Benedetta caretta, the gorgeous Italian beauty, the lovely diva, and his vlog share a beautiful videos, lovely moment share on his Instagram page, a lovely story and beautiful views of cities, a lovely mountains and lovely spending our time vlog share a beautiful view and lovely spending days, summer days in his country, some lovely views. Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all fine, doing great. Welcome back another video and beautiful video of the gorgeous lady Benedetta caretta. She's spending a lovely days, lovely time in his Italy, and she shared a lovely picture with fans, a lovely picture, mountain and beauty of Italy. So guys, this is the latest update of the Benedetta caretta. Share a beautiful vlog and beauty of the city in Italy, share with fans. So guys, thanks for watching video and see you next video. Take care, bye bye.